Men have never been keen when it comes to going to the doctor for a checkup. But in rural Australia, where health services are few and far between, men's health has become seriously neglected. Heart disease, high cholesterol and diabetes are all on the increase. In Mudgee, the community nursing team came up with an innovative way to make it easier for men to access health services.
MERV simply is the Men's Educational Rural Van, and what it is a mobile men's health information and screening checkup service. It originated through our community health service here in Mudgee. We actually were trying to address men's health issues, enabling men to access services more in a workplace environment. So we were fortunate enough in getting a grant from the Department of Health, and with the money we actually purchased the van and commenced the project. The biggest probably issue for particularly a lot of the country blokes out our way is just accessibility. A lot of our male workforce are employed in mining or farming, so accessing health services during that time is quite hard for those men, primarily because they're working 50 to 100 k's out of town, so they just simply can't drop in and see someone in a lunch break.
Pop the headphones on with the ears and play a noise on the right side. When you hear the noise, just raise your hand for me.
Men unfortunately don't like to go to doctors. They need to be pushed. I think it's because they think they're bulletproof. It's always going to be someone else that gets sick, not them. Just pig-headedness, I think, is the biggest part of it, or obstinance, or a lot of them are just too damn scared.
MERV's at the Mudgee Small Farm Field Days. We come out to the field days every year, mainly for the fact, well, there's a lot of blokes that come along to the field days, so we just pretty much come along, offer a lot of information and services, and hopefully men can access some information from us. We just offer a simple men's health checkup. We go through a blood pressure, cholesterol, blood glucose check. Then we offer a lot of information on men's health issues.
They're learning about their blood pressure, they're learning about their cholesterol, they're actually being asked to visit their doctor if we find anything abnormal, and to have further testing. That was 140 on 90. That's high for a young man. Have you got high blood pressure?
No. Generally we travel out to men's workplaces and set up there, and we can be there for a day or 2 days or a week, depending on how many blokes are actually in the workforce there. We can, accommodate any workplace if they want to target smoking or target prostate health, for example. We can actually, work in line with those requests from the employer. So it's very mobile, very flexible. That's probably the best two key things about MERV.
Is the Innovation in Nursing Award.
The Men's Educational Rural Van was such a success, it was recognised with the Innovation in Nursing Award at the HESTA Australian Nursing Awards in May 2007.
The winner of the Innovation in Nursing Award for 2007 is the Community Nursing Team, Mudgee Health.
We were very honoured to actually, go to Melbourne and actually win the award. It was very pleasing. It's a good, reward for the staff that have been involved with it, just to give them a bit of a pat on the back, because there has been a lot of hours that was put in to the project, in and outside of work hours. So yeah, it was very rewarding. We've had a fair few success stories. We've had a number of blokes who've come and seen us one time and we've, identified a high blood pressure or a weight issue or a lifestyle issue, and we've given them the information, and they've gone away and they've made their changes in their life. And 6 months later, they've actually come back and seen us again when we visited their workplace, or they've dropped in and see us down the street. And they've, for example, one fella that we've spoken to, he's lost 15 kilos since his first visit with us. And he's always in touch with us, just letting us know how things are going and everything.